Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast and your 1 minute of motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making all your dreams come true? What can I do to help you that can take your life to the higher level that you would like it to be? If you and me can work together and we get your next big adventure started, drop me a message on 07801 543 515 or book your call, free 30-minute call over at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote. Staying positive doesn't mean you have to be happy all of the time. It means that even on the hard days, you know that there are better ones always going to come. Now, I am one of the positive people that this is all about, but I'm definitely not happy the whole time. Looking at every possible outcome of a situation is just one way of approaching life to find a solution, or you can always just go and hide. I know which one I'd like to do. Better days are coming, and if you were in hell right now, you'd keep moving forward, wouldn't you? I mean, why would you stay? Stay positive, and those positive things will come your way.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.